Today we have 9.7 volume of prisms. So we did a surface area last week, or the past 2 weeks. This week we're doing a volume of prisms. So let's go ahead and start. Remember, you can pause the video at any time, rewind it, whatever you need to do if I go too fast. Okay, here's the first slide. The first slide has the formula for the volume of prisms. It's a little bit shorter than the formula for surface area of prisms. The formula is V equals BH. V just stands for volume. B is the area of the base, and H is the height. So the letters stand for the same things as they did in the surface area formulas. Okay, here's our first example. We have a rectangular prism. It is very, very important for you to identify the base. Once you identify the base, you'll know what you have to find the area of. So in this case, my base is this rectangle. I'm going to shade it in for you. That's my base. We want to find the volume of this prism, so we're going to do BH. B is the area of the base, so I need to find the area of that rectangle. Remember, to find the area of the rectangle, or a rectangle or a square, is just base times height. So based on that rectangle, my base could be 17, my height could be 9, or they could be switched around. So 9 times 17. 9 times 17 gives me 153. So that means the area of my base is 153, the big B. Now I need the height of the prism. This H and this H are different. They are not the same. The one on the right is the height of the base. The one in the formula is the height of the prism. So just because we put a 9 in there for that height, don't think that the other one's a 9. The other one, let's just make this one a capital. The capital H is going to be the height of the whole prism. So if you look at the prism, you can see that the height is 24. It's how tall it is. It's the number that combines the two bases. So it combines that base to this top base. So my height is 24. All right, so then I'm just plugging into my formula. Area of the base is 153, and the height is 24. My handwriting is looking pretty good right now, if I must say. Hopefully it stays that way. And we should get 3,672. Whenever you do your assignment tomorrow, remember, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. This one doesn't have a decimal point. And when you do the form, don't submit centimeters cubed or anything like that. Just the number, because then it'll count it wrong if you do the units. But this one would be cubed because it's a volume. Now that we're into volume, volume is to the third power. And that's it for that one. While we're here, I'll go ahead and give you the code word for today. The code word for today's lesson is lettuce. So you can write it down and submit it after the video. All right, let's move into our second example. Here's our second example. We have another prism, but this time it's a triangular prism. I'm going to go ahead and outline the base, which is this triangle. So my formula is still BH. The big B is the area of the base, or what I just outlined, which is the triangle. So don't get confused and try to do it the same as the other one, because our base is different. We need to find the area of that triangle because the triangle is the base. So remember, the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Remember, the base and the height make a right angle. So look for the right angle. You see it right here. Okay, the two lines that connect that are going to be the base and the height. That means this one and this one. That's going to be the base and the height to find the area of the base. So this one's 12 because this one's 12. So we would do 12 times 7.3 divided by 2. That gives us 43.8. Okay, so the area of the base is 43.8. Now we need the height of the prism. Remember, there are two different heights. Okay, this is the height of the prism. So we want the height that connects the two triangles, the one that connects that bottom triangle to that top triangle. And that's going to be this line right here, this line right here, this line right here. All of those are heights. And you can see that it measures 5. So the height of my prism is 5. We plug those numbers into the formula. 43.8 times 5. And we get 219 exactly. No decimal places or anything. It is feet cubed. Remember, we don't need to put the unit of measure into the your practice tomorrow. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. It was pretty short, 2 examples. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to watch the video again. Feel free to come to my office hours and ask for help. And good luck on your assignment tomorrow. Don't forget to submit the code word today.